Hello everyone, I am Nitin Arora and I welcome you all to my channel. As a wedding photographer, I have captured the photograph. The angle is perfect and I'm pretty happy with the framing and composition too. But I am only halfway done since the post-production is a very important step. It's time to process the photo and bring out the best of the contrast, colors, tones and even the sharpness of the image. The most popular program to use for editing these days is Adobe Lightroom, which is also a great way to organize your photos as well as being the ultimate editing software. So in this video today, we are going to look at everything you need to know about Lightroom presets, starting from what is a Lightroom presets and how to install them. So coming on to what is a Lightroom preset. A Lightroom preset is a configuration of settings designed to achieve a certain look or style of your photograph. Similar to Instagram filters, Lightroom presets are an easy fix for improving the look and feel of your photos. In its essence, a preset is a selection of edits that you can save and apply to other images in Lightroom instead of manually adjusting every time that you edit. With just one click on a preset, your photo can be altered in hundreds of different presets, alteration to colors, hues, shadows, contrast, grain and even more. If you find presets that work for your style, you can actually speed up your workflow significantly and you can achieve the colors and look you want without needing to edit each photo individually. Once you click on the preset and it applies to your photograph, you can actually make manual adjustments because it is likely the preset won't be perfect on every photograph. So going further, let's start from how to install the Lightroom presets. So guys, usually when you get presets, whether you buy them or download, they come bundled in a zip file. Also, I have attached a link in the description right below from where you can click and download 5 of my best presets from the Wanderlust collection, absolutely free of cost. Also, just for your information, I am running some great offers where you can avail 50% off on all the presets collection on the new website that I have made. So if you want to pause right now and get a zip file containing some presets so that you can follow along with this discussion, all you need to do is go to the description right below this video and download the link mentioned for the free presets. So it will be easy for you to follow the steps to install the Lightroom presets. So welcome back guys, I hope you all have downloaded the free presets and ready to install them. Now there are many ways to install Lightroom presets. So I am going to show you an easy way which I think is the simplest and used by many photographers. Now when you have downloaded the preset zip file to your system, it generally shows in the download folder. Here is the file. Now that I have got this zip file on my computer, the next step is to unzip. Zip file is an archive that contains lots of files inside it and we need to get them out. Now since I am on Mac, I can just double click to open the zip file, or I can even click right and choose the archive utility option. But if you are on a PC, you will need to right click on the file and then choose extract all from the right click menu and unzip the same. Now you can see what happened. It created a new folder which is called the Wanderlust Collection Presets by NAP. Let's check out the folder. So when I open the folder, what I see are the files with an extension of .xmp, which are the actual presets along with one PDF of how to install them. Now there might be chances that your Lightroom version is old and you might have an option to run only files with an extension with .lr template. Now let me make you understand why this happens. A .xmp file is similar in many ways to .lr template files, except that .xmp files contain different information and the data in the file is structured differently. With the latest update to Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Camera Raw, Adobe has moved on from .lr template file format in favor of using the .xmp format. Just to let you all know that our preset collection actually comes in .xmp format. So all you need to do in this case is to just update your software to latest version. Now coming back to the folder, there might be a chance that you have more than one folder sometimes when you download or even buy the presets from any other website. So in that case guys, don't panic. You would just need to repeat the steps which I'm going to explain. So we have all the presets and now it's time to actually open the Lightroom and import them. And to do that, we go into the develop module because these are the developed presets. Now to import the presets, you actually have to have an image selected. So I have an image selected already, which you can see. Now what I'm going to do is click on the plus icon, which is right besides preset, and I'll click on it. As soon as you click on create preset, you will see a dialog box appear. The next step is to go to the group, scroll above, and you will see an option of new group. Now you have to name this group and make sure that it matches the name of the folder in the preset collection that I've just downloaded. So I'm just going to call this Wanderlust Presets by NAP and I'll say create. So here in my presets panel, you can see the new folder that I just created, and I'm going to click on it once to select it. And now I'm going to right click on it to get the right click menu, and I'm going to choose import. And now I'm going to go to find that collection. I know the presets are in my downloads and in the complete preset collection, and here it is, Wanderlust collection presets by NAP. And now I need to select all these preset files with .xmp extension. As I told you guys initially that these are the actual preset. So I'm just going to select them all and then I'm going to say import, and we can see that Lightroom has imported them, and here in the presets panel we can see the list of presets that came into the folder, which is Wanderlust Presets by NAP folder. And now you can see all the presets listed here. I can go and scroll on each one of them, so just to see that every preset is working. Okay, so I have imported all the presets and you can see them listed here in the preset panel. And now maybe you're very curious to know that where Lightroom has actually put these presets in their permanent location on the hard disk of your computer. Now if you would like to see where Lightroom actually stores them, you can go up to the Lightroom menu, pick preferences, pick the preset tab, and then pick this button that says show all other Lightroom preset folder. That will open up your computer finder, or if you're working on a PC, it will open up the Explorer and show you where these things are stored. So I'll kind of expand it out here so you guys can see that the whole path on my system where they are stored in my user account, which I have named it as Nitin Arora. Then inside Nitin Arora, it's library, application support, Adobe, and then Lightroom, and then inside Lightroom there is a folder called develop presets, and then you can see the ones I just installed right here, which is Wanderlust Presets by NAP. And if I click on one of those, you can see the actual presets are stored right here. So guys, this is the place where the Lightroom actually store the actual presets, and this is how you can find out. So that's where Lightroom actually keeps them in its own little system, but I find it easier to use that import command and let Lightroom put them where it thinks they need to go rather than me trying to figure out this whole path. Though there is one more method which some people follow to install the Lightroom presets also. In this method, you will have to follow only 7 steps to install the Lightroom presets, and trust me guys, it doesn't even take more than a minute. Now all you need to do is open up the Lightroom software and then go to Lightroom, then Preferences, Then after preferences, you can see the preset tab. Click on the preset. Now click on the box which says show all other Lightroom preset folder. Now once you click on this, you need to double click on the Lightroom folder, and then once you open this, you need to double click on the develop presets. Now here you need to copy the folders of the presets into develop presets, and once you copy it, you need to quit the Lightroom and restart it again. And once you open up the Lightroom again, you will see the Lightroom updating the presets in your collection, and here are the presets. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just to remind you once more, I have mentioned a link in the description below for my free Lightroom presets from Wunderlust collection. But don't forget, they are only the desktop Lightroom presets, and don't try them installing in your mobile. Also, I have mentioned a link below of my website from where you can go and shop more. If you are going to buy right now, there is a 50% discount running. So this is the best time to shop, guys. Please install and try the presets, and do tag me with a hashtag Nitin Arora Photography and Presets by NAP, as I would love to see how you guys are using the presets. Hit that like button if you have learned how to install the presets. And in my next video, I will be telling you how to use presets and even make your own presets and earn income out of it. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Loads of love, and see you all in the next video.